Welcome to a beginner's guide to meditation. This tutorial will equip you with all the essentials. Meditation is much easier than you think. Actually, you can meditate anywhere, anytime, under any circumstances. Because the essence of meditation is awareness. Awareness means you know what you are thinking, what you are feeling, what you are doing. That is awareness, the knowingness to know. In meditation, you don't need to do anything or create any special state of mind or force being peaceful or calm. There is no need for that. When it comes to where you should meditate, the location isn't of paramount importance, but ideally, it should be a place where you can escape distractions and find some tranquility. Here are some suggestions of places that could be suitable. At home. This is one of the most common places to meditate. Try to create a calm and quiet space, free from disturbances. In nature, a park, forest, beach, or any natural landscape can serve as an excellent setting for meditation. Public libraries. These are generally quiet and peaceful, making them great places to meditate. The workplace. If your job is stressful, taking a short meditation break during your lunch hour can be extremely beneficial. Basically, any environment that promotes peace and quiet. The key is to be as comfortable as possible to maintain the position for the duration of your meditation. The position of your body during meditation is important, as it can influence your level of comfort and your ability to concentrate. In addition to the traditional seated meditation posture, it's also possible to meditate while standing, walking, or lying down. What's important is that you find a position that's comfortable for you and that supports your ability to focus your mind. Here are some general guidelines for positioning your body during sitting meditation. 1. Posture. Sit upright with your spine straight. This position aids in breathing and promotes a state of alert relaxation. Avoid slouching as it can lead to discomfort and distraction. 2. Seated position. Many people choose to sit on a meditation cushion or bench. You could also sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The goal is to be comfortable and relaxed, but also alert. 3. Hands. Rest your hands in a comfortable position, such as on your knees or in your lap. 4. Eyes. You can choose to close your eyes or keep them slightly open, gazing softly at a spot on the floor in front of you. 5. Legs. If you're sitting on the floor, you might cross your legs in a comfortable manner. If you're in a chair, keep your feet flat on the ground. 6. Mouth. Keep your mouth closed and breathe through your nose. And if a position causes physical discomfort, make sure to adjust as needed. Listening to music during meditation can be a matter of your personal preference. Some people find that certain types of music can help them focus and create a calm environment conducive to meditation. Others prefer to meditate in silence, finding that music can be distracting. Music as a meditation aid. Some types of music can support a meditative state. Gentle instrumental music, ambient sounds, nature sounds, or specifically designed meditation soundtracks can all work. These types of audio aim to provide a calm, soothing background that doesn't distract your focus. Also, using music with binaural beats can aid in achieving certain brainwave states conducive to deep meditation or relaxation. Meditation in silence. Other meditators prefer complete silence for their practice. They may find that music, regardless of how soothing it may be, still provides a level of cognitive engagement that can be distracting. In silence, they can fully focus on their breath, a specific thought, or a mantra without distraction. Ultimately, whether or not to use music during meditation comes down to personal preference and what helps each individual achieve a calm, focused state. It can be beneficial to experiment with different practices of music versus silence and different types of music to see what works best for you. During meditation, your goal isn't so much to actively think about something specific, but more about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Depending on the style of meditation you're practicing, your focus could differ. Here are some common focuses. 1. Breath. Many meditation techniques involve focusing on your breath. Observe the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. 2. Body sensations. Another technique is to perform a body scan, where you progressively focus on different parts of your body, noting any sensations that arise without judgment. 3. Mindfulness. In mindfulness meditation, you're encouraged to observe your thoughts and feelings as they arise, without trying to change them or react to them. You can notice them, but let them pass without judgment. New meditators often become frustrated, thinking too much, getting itchy, or feeling that meditation simply doesn't work. I assure you, such experiences are normal. Persist with your breathing, trust the process, and these distractions will eventually fade. If you're still finding it hard, try belly breathing, inhaling through the nose and allowing the belly to expand a little, as if filling with air. Despite sounding oversimplified, this technique will have significant impacts on your relaxation. Remember, the goal is not to stop thinking, but rather to become an observer of your thoughts. When you notice your mind has wandered, which it inevitably will, simply acknowledge it and gently guide your focus back without judgment. The duration of your meditation can vary depending on your experience level, schedule, and personal preference. Here are some general guidelines. 1. Beginners. If you're just starting out, it might be beneficial to start with shorter sessions. Even 5 to 10 minutes can be beneficial. As you get more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the duration. 2. Intermediate. Once you've been meditating for a while, you might aim for 15 to 30 minutes at a time. Some people find that this is a good length for a daily practice. 3. Advanced. Experienced meditators might meditate for an hour or more, but it's important to note that longer isn't necessarily better. The quality of your attention during meditation can be more impactful than the quantity of time spent. 4. Meditation retreats. In a retreat setting, you might meditate for several hours a day. These are usually more intensive experiences meant for people who are already comfortable with longer periods of meditation. Setting an alarm is key to avoid constant worry about the elapsed time, which detracts from the purpose of meditation to clear the mind. Creating a habit, such as daily meditation, can be done with simple few key steps. Start small. Begin with a manageable goal. You might start by meditating for just 5 minutes each day. Once this becomes comfortable, you can gradually extend the duration. Same time, same place. Consistency helps form habits. If possible, meditate at the same time and in the same place every day. This could be a first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or right before bed. Create a routine. Incorporate meditation into a part of your existing routine. For example, meditating after brushing your teeth in the morning can help make it a regular part of your day. Make it enjoyable. Create a peaceful and welcoming environment to meditate in. This might involve a comfortable seat, soft lighting, or even a candle. The more enjoyable the experience, the more likely you are to stick with it. Habits take time to form. It's okay if you miss a day or two. The key is to keep returning to your practice. Many people find that using a guided meditation app can help them form the habit. Meditating with others can be a powerful motivator. Whether it's a friend, family member, or local meditation group, having others involved in your practice can provide a sense of community and accountability. As we draw to a close, a brief note to self. Embarking on a meditative journey requires patience. It's those consistent, heartfelt moments of meditation that count, not merely their duration. For an in-depth look at brainwaves during meditation, watch our latest video here. And if you appreciate our insights, don't forget to subscribe right here on YouTube. Join us on this enlightening journey.